What's up, guys? It's Adrian with AC Designs Garage. Today I was just going to do a little update on Daddy's 32 Ford Highboy Roadster. We got the body set yesterday. Got an upcoming video on it. Probably this Friday I'm going to load it. So hope you're subscribed where you can follow along on this build. Mainly just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the wheel tire combo we're running. We just put them on this one side for mock up and see how the stance and everything is on the car. Give you a rear shot. It's got a real cool 3/4 shot on it because it's got a really neat stance to it. Yeah, rear profile. The ones over on the passenger side still those old chrome reverses we had on there. I like the way they're far enough away from the body, it's not going to rub when you go across, like pulling in parking lots and stuff. But I'll give you a rundown on the tires and wheels. The wheels are a 16x11 American Rebel Champ, which is a very high quality wheel, I think. When I got these, I was really impressed with it because they're made to look like the old Halliburton magnesium wheels, and we have a couple sets of those, and we put them side by side, and they look like they were poured out of the same mold. Like I said, the tire is a 285/75/16, which is 32 inches tall on that 16x11, but it really fits the arc of the wheel well really well, I think. We just put our column in the mock-up, our steering wheel and stuff. I think it looks pretty cool. It's got that late 70s Ohio looks, what I call it. I was always a fan of like Barry Lobeck's cars from Ohio. There's where we got our coil mounted. We're gonna make a little cover to go up, come up over this, real low profile, and carpet it and stuff. Alright, here's the front. These are American Rebel Sprints 15x4s with a 145/15 on the front. Definitely got the big and littles going on. SoCal brakes. These are actually going to have the Finn Buick style covers. We just have them off right now so we don't get them scratched up during the build. I think Dad's plug wires turned out really cool. They all hide back down and can't even see them. Car's going to look pretty low, but it's really nice. It's going to be a good driving car. Like right through here, it's got a V spreader bar that'll come down. It's on a 4-inch dropped axle. You can see how it's going to look coming from the front. The big polished brakes and stuff. I've already got the top of the cowl roughly polished in. It ain't much. The rest of the car, and that's why it don't have much reflection on the body. It's cut in, I think it's 3/1000 where I've got it now. I still got a little bit more to do to it before we do the final buff on it. But yeah, here it is. Really digging the wheels and stuff. They look really good on the car. And it's got one of the laid back windshield, chrome windshield frames, and a little small top and stuff. So it's really gonna look cool. But I hope y'all enjoy it. Like I said, subscribe so you can come along on the journey, and God bless. Hope you guys love it.